Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The future boardwalk of Seaside Heights. The Beach Bar. Former home of the Beach Bar. A pitiful case of Seagull Sunday. There's only one seagull out here. Yes, a pitiful attempt at Seagull Sunday. We're trying out here on this devastated Jersey Shore beach. Anyway, it is freezing out today. So, hey, let's keep moving. Okay, I don't know what kind of video we'll get out today, but it's pretty cold out here and it's pretty windy out here. And we're not going to do too much. Best plan is to go somewhere where it's warm. Hey, anyway, the sun is shining better than yesterday, I think.
I see you over there. Yes, you. Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune. Now back in the arcade now, singing up the boardwalk being built.
is St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. By the time I get this video up, it'll be tomorrow. Happy St. Patrick's Day anyway. Next week is what? Palm Sunday?
Yep.
Next week is Palm Sunday, which is the Easter egg hunt. We'll be having the Easter egg hunt in Seaside Heights, but not on the beach. Who knows where? And 2 weeks is Easter. So yeah, 2 weeks is Easter, and that means it's spring, because it's really cold out today.
We're going to have the annual Easter parade.
Easter parade. Yes, that's it. Can't think of anything else to do. Might as well sit back and, hey, let's look at the cats or do something. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for subscribing. Webster.